Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today I'd love to share with you a gorgeous result on a beautiful 59-year-old mom who underwent a transformation. And what I want to do is focus on the mouth region here, on her lips, on her neck, and on her chin. Let's check it out together. We did fractional carbon dioxide laser resurfacing. She's just over 2.5 months post-op, so she's still going to heal more, but this is an incredible transformation. The fractional CO2 laser then helped to change and restore the texture of that skin, of the lips, the chin, the cheeks, the nose even. It's very dramatic. This is a great example where we're able to restore her to her former glory. That submental skin underneath her chin and neck, that is much smoother than it was before, quite dramatically so. It's going to get better with time too, but I'm just so pleased for this beautiful patient and that she has allowed us to share these results with you because I certainly know that it makes both of us happy.